Hello there. Well, I'm just gonna show you how I clean my own rifle. So the materials I use are this silicone spray, some paper towels, and a self-made device to get inside of the barrel and yada yada. Essentially, what I do is to stick a paper towel at the end on this hook, spray it with some silicone oil, stick it inside and get it back again. Let me show you. So what I do, get some paper towel, get it into a size something like this, fold it a couple of times, and fold it this, I'm not gonna fold it that way. Reduce it so it can fit the barrel, put it inside of the hook. Usually you will have a plastic barrel cleaner with the gun itself, but mine got lost somewhere, so I had to do this device, and essentially what I do, spray it. That's pretty much. But yeah, we're gonna work with that. I dry it sometimes because, as you saw, that was a lot. And what I do is to stick this stuff inside of the barrel in a spiral motion, being very careful. In a spiral motion, you get all of the dust or anything from the inside. Right. And now you're gonna see the paper towel almost all red. Black. Yeah, you see all of the dust that came out. Let me show you. Yeah, I do this. Let it focus. Yeah, you see the paper towel all black and all. As you can see, I'm on the third one. The third one came kind of dirty, not as usual, but now I'm changing to a dry paper towel to get all of the silicone oil from the inside. Because you need your barrel to be clean, but also you need it to be dry, because the silicone oil has this tendency to really not evaporate, and it will actually affect your performance, your gun's performance on the field, because the BBs will just go up or down, whatever. They're gonna be all over the place. So yeah, that's it. Well, I'll see you in the next video. Till then, guys, clean your guns and shoot straight, I guess. And most importantly, do not freaking cheat in the game. Like, if you get hit, just call your hits, guys. Just call your hits. That's it. See you guys in the next one. Also, once you clean your barrel, don't forget to clean this part of the gun. Here, inside the nozzle, I use ear cleaners, just get that dust or whatever is inside off of there. Just stick it inside like this, do a little wiggle or maybe a twist, whatever floats your boat. And you can't see it because I'm shooting this with my phone, but there was a lot of dust inside and some weird looking things. So now it's clean. Yeah. With that said, see you guys in the next one.